The great way to reach the island of Mykonos is by cruise, and that's what we did. So here we are on our way to Mykonos. Welcome to Greece's most famous cosmopolitan island, a whitewashed paradise in the heart of the Cyclades. According to mythology, Mykonos was formed from the petrified bodies of giants killed by Hercules. And did you know that the island took its name from the grandson of Apollo, Mykonos? This was our first stop during our Mediterranean cruise with Celestial Olympia. We spent a lovely day in Mykonos wandering around. Great views and lovely white homes, very narrow streets, and it's great to just walk around and explore. During summer, especially in August, Mykonos is one of the most crowded islands in Greece, so be sure to plan your holidays far in advance. To escape the crowds, visit the island during spring or fall. The island of Mykonos is a paradise for water sport enthusiasts. It is only natural that the island of waves should attract surfers and sailors from all over the world. There is a great choice of beaches for windsurfing. However, the most secluded ones are considered to be the best.